If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for your Google Pixel 11, then the answer depends on a couple of things. The first thing is whether you expect a charger to be included inside the box or not. So if you are wondering if a charger can be found with the phone once you unbox it, then the answer is no. The charger is simply not included, so if you don't have a charger, you will have to purchase it separately, and yes, in that case you need to buy a charger. Now, if you already have a charger or power adapter, then here the question is if the charger has USB-C port, because the cable that we have here is USB-C to USB-C. Of course, if you have a USB-A to USB-C cable and you have a charger or power adapter with the USB-A port, then you can use that as well and it is going to work. You should still be able to charge your Google Pixel 11. So in that case, the answer is probably no. You don't really need to buy a charger or a power adapter. And another question might be what kind of charger you need to get to, for example, reach the fastest charging speed possible. So in that case, of course, the phone can charge the battery using 30 watts at most. It has PD 3.0 and PPS support, so you are looking for a charger or power adapter with one of these technologies and 30 watts at least to be able to reach the fastest charging speed possible. And that is pretty much it. So essentially, if you expect a charger to be included, then yes, you have to buy a charger. If you already have a charger, then no, you don't really need to buy it. At least most of the time you don't have to buy it in most cases, simply because you can probably use it to charge your Google Pixel 11. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.